Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you how to earn money online for free. So, the method of earning money online is really simple. So, you have to watch video ads online and earn money. So, you have to come on to Play Store, and I'm not online. I have activated my data, and I have to come on to and search for Zarklami. Zarklami is an application to earn money online. So it's 100% trusted app. You can earn money online from it. So I have installed it. I have to open it. So I have to come on and open Zarklami application. So it's so simple to earn money from Zarklami application. I will show you the live proof of earning money online from Zarklami. So don't skip the video. So you can see here today so far I have seen one ad and I have make $0.01. So you have to come on to three dots. After coming to three dots, you have to click on earn. After clicking on earn, a lot of ways to earn money on a Zarklami application. So you can see here, choose the method of earning, play games, fill out surveys, watch videos, online shopping. So I have to click on watch videos. Our today's method is to watch videos online and earn money. So you have to select one. I have to select Unity. After selecting Unity, the ad will come. So you have to verify are you a robot or not. So you have to verify I'm not a robot. So you have to select a motorcycles and click on verify. After clicking on verify, so you have to click on verify. So the ad will coming and you have to watch it for 30 seconds and earn money. So you can see here you have to click on start watching videos. So you can see here ad have been come. So ad is opening now and this is activated right now. So this have been for 30 seconds. So you have to click on this cross icon. After clicking on it, after finishing ad, you can see here you correctly and received 10 points. So you received 10 points. So this is the method I showed you this in this video. So please subscribe the channel for these kind of videos. I will show you and come up with another videos. So please subscribe the channel and watch the another videos in my channel. Bye.